Hello my lovely students, how are you my boys? Hope you're fine. Today we're gonna to take the 8th lesson in chapter 7, Meter. I want you to open your books on page 313 and be ready with teacher Rima. Our objectives: students will be able to estimate and measure in meter. So we're gonna to measure what? We will measure the length of objects. Yesterday and before yesterday, we took 2 units, centimeters and inches. Today we're gonna to add a new unit, which is meter. Okay, so we have 3 units to measure the length of objects: inches, centimeters, and meters. But centimeters and meters are units of length in the metric system. So many or most of the countries are using meter and centimeter, but inches only in United States and some countries, okay? This is the meter ruler, like the metric stick, but I have to tell you something that's okay. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. Okay? 1 meter, M is the abbreviation of meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So, if I wanted to measure the length of my building, I will use the meter, because meter is a unit which we use it to measure the length of longer objects. But centimeters is a unit which we use it to measure the shorter objects. So if you wanted to measure the length of your book, you have to use the centimeter. Your table, you will use the meter. Your pencil, the centimeters. Okay? And 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay, see this video.
Measuring in meters. Both of these rulers are 1 meter long.
So look, this ruler is 1 meter and this ruler is 1 meter. Here we have from 0 till 100 centimeters, and I told you that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So this is 1 meter and this is 1 meter long.
Measure the length of each object in meters.
Okay, here we have this bed. We're gonna to measure the length of this bed by using this ruler. This ruler is 1 meter long. Okay, so we will see how many rulers we have to use.
Let's measure the length of the bed by placing 1 meter rulers end to end. 1, 2. The bed is about 2 meters long. 2 meters. Measure the length of the sofa.
Can you estimate the length of this sofa? Check your answer. 1, 2.
The sofa is about 3 meters long. 3 meters.
You said 3 meters, you are correct.
Measure the length of the drawers.
Only 1.
The drawers are about 1 meter long. 1 meter. Measure the length of the truck.
1, 2, 3, 4.
The truck is about 5 meters long.
Meters long.
5 meters.
Okay. So I want you to tell me, we will measure the length in centimeter or meter. Circle the correct answer. The length of a car. The car is long object. So I can't use the centimeter, so I have to use meter, because meter for long objects, centimeter is for shorter objects. The length of a paper clip. A paper clip is short object, so centimeters. The length of a swimming pool. Swimming pool is long. The width around a lemon. A lemon is short object, so we will use and measure in centimeters. The length of a bookshelf. Do you remember our bookshelf in the class? Yes, it's long object, so we will use the meter. The length of a button. This is the button which is in your shirt. Yes, it's short object. So by using the centimeters. The length of a backyard, like the playground. The playground is long. The length of dry erase marker. The marker. The marker is short or long object? Short, like the pencil. Okay? Now, open your box and let's solve the questions. Look here. We have this door, like my room's door, okay? Estimate. It's about maybe 1.5 meter. But I measured the length of my door and it's about 2 meters. I used to measure the length of my door the measuring tape. Do you remember the measuring tape? Which we taught it in the science, which is like this. This one? Yes. I used this one to measure the length of the door. Okay. This window, like the windows in your home. This one, maybe 1 meter. And I measured the length of my window and I found it's 1.5 meter. So 1.5 meters. Check your home. Look here, match each object with the best estimate. We have about 1 meter, about 4 meters, about 15 meters. 15 meters is the length of the longest object. So where is the longest object? This one, or this one? This one. This is the height of this building. So the height of this building is about 15 meters. 1 meter is the shorter object. This one, the length of the car or the length of the table. The table or the desk. about 4 meters, like your daddy's car. Okay? Find the object, estimate the length, measure each object in meters. Okay, estimate this table, maybe 1.5 meters. Measure it by the meter. I guess it's 1.5. Measure the length of your table in your home. Any table in your home. The board, I guess maybe 1.9. If you measure the board in our class, you will find it's about 2 meters long. Okay? The door, maybe it's 1.9. That's mean 190 centimeters. So 1 and 9 meters. Here, if you measure it, you will find 2 meters. I measured my room's door. It was 2 meters long. And I measured the length of the kitchen's chair. It was 1.1, or you'll find it 1 meter. I measured the length of the chair, it was 1 meter. Okay, this is estimate. What do you think? Measure by using the measuring tape or the meter ruler. A whale is 15 meters long. A rhinoceros is 4 meters long. What is the difference in length between the whale and the rhinoceros? Okay. The whale is about 15 meters. The rhinoceros, 4 meters. What is the difference? Difference means minus. So we will subtract the length of the whale minus the length of the rhino. 4. Okay. 15 minus 4, underline the ones. TO if you wanted to put TO. Here O. 5 minus 4, 1. 1 minus nothing, 1. Difference is 11 meters. Daniel ran 72 meters. James ran 16 meters farther than Daniel. So 72 meters for Daniel. James ran 16 meters more than Daniel. That's mean 72 farther means more than means plus. 72 plus 60. TO. 2 plus 6, 8. 7 plus 1, 8. So James ran 88 meters. So James now 88 meters. Hudson ran 12 meters farther than James. So 12 meters more than James. James 88 meters. He ran 88 meters plus 12. Underline the ones. T-O. T. And here O. 8 plus 2. 8 in your mind. 2 in your hand. 10. 8 plus 1. 9. 9 plus 1. 10. 100 meters he ran. Okay? So he ran 100 meters. So, the last question, match to complete each sentence. A meter is about the width of your index finger. Is as wide as you can stretch your arms. When you open your arms, when you open your arms, this is the length of by using a centimeter ruler. No, when you open your arms, it's a long distance, long here, centimeter, which is your index finger. Okay? I want you to solve the homework, and thank you for your listening. I guess the lesson is so easy. Thank you. See you, my smart boys.